Guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut an off-shoulder cowl kaftan using a chiffon material with 3 yards. So the next thing I'm going to start with now is that I'm going to fold this into 4. But first of all, I'm going to show you how to fold this into 2. This is into 2. Like this, then into 4, like this. This is into 4, so the length I'm using here, I'm using 56 inches of the length. 56 inches of the length. So I'm going to start, it's an off shoulder like I said earlier. So I'm going to deduct 4 up here. You can make it of 6 inches. It depends on how you want your shoulder to how different you want the shoulder to be. But here I'm using 4. So I'm putting my tape at where 4 here to the length here. I'm getting 54 and up here. Don't mind the fabric. When I iron it, it's going to be the exact length that I'm using, that I want. So from here, I'm going to sketch my knee length. My knee length here is 36. It's 36. You can see. So from here, I'm going to measure 26 inches for the wideness of the shoulder. For the wideness of the shoulder with the sleeve, so it's 26 inches. So from here, the roundness of my shoulder, it's an off shoulder. So when you measure the roundness of the shoulder with the hand, when you measure the roundness of the shoulder like this, like if you're measuring like this, when you measure like this, the roundness of the shoulder, when you measure it like this. So my own here is 39. It's 39. So don't forget, this is into 4. 39 divided by 4, 9.7 inches. It's 9.7 inches. This is where it's going to be. So from here to here is 16 and a half, which we are going to make a slant. We're going to make a slant from that place, like this. So don't forget, you are going to measure the wideness of the knee here. The wideness of the knee here, I'm using 44. Wow, I'm using 46, and 46 divided by 2 here, divided by 4 rather, is going to be 11.5 inches. This is my 11.5 inches. So from here, I'm going to make a round curve. Like this. Don't mind it. Let me redo it so that it will curve very well, and I will not be wasting of the fabric. this is the main line. Ignore all these sides. So among all this line, you should ignore it. They are not correct line. So I'm only dealing with this particular line, like this, up to here. Then I'm going to make a straight line down. So you can see the way I cut it. This is the core area, the cowl area. This is slant area, which is going to stay at the sleeve side. This is for the sleeve, and here is the shoulder. So a straight line. No, it's an off shoulder. So when you join the band, so now I'll start cutting my sketch. So I'm starting from here. Up to here, then a straight line. So this is 6 inches of this for taping. So I'm going to fold this into two like this. The seam allowance is there. Then I'll tape it. I use to tape the shoulder. Like this. This is where it's going to be. So if you want to join this cutting, you're going to stitch when you open it. Let me open it for you. That is going to be. So here is the shoulder. This way you're going to put your taping here. When you put it here, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to stitch it first. When you stitch up to here. You stitch the other side too. Then you turn. After when you turn it, then you put your taping up there, round. That will be the shoulder. So for those people that doesn't know how to turn it, based on the question I got from the previous cowl kaftan, it's an ordinary cowl kaftan. It's not an up shoulder cowl kaftan. So she don't know how to turn it. So you're going to make use of this, the other side here, the opposite side. Now this is the face of the fabric. So this is the face of the fabric, and here is the back. So you're going to put the two facing on each other like this. Then you sketch, and then you stitch the other. When you stitch up to here. You stitch it down here too. You stitch the other side too. This is the So when you start your stitching from here or here, you're going to stop here, because you're going to, this is where the hand is going to stay. So you're going to make use of 6 inches from here, 6 inches from here to here. When you're stitching from here, don't forget this is where the shoulder starts from. So when you start your stitching from here, you stop here, then you make 6 inches for the sleeve. When you're going to put your hand, after then you continue stitching to the down part. So then you turn it, then you do your taping, which is the shoulder taping. Then you put your taping. So that's how it's going to be. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.